Idea of Trump's tariff is to bring all the manufacturing to America and make America into a manufacturing giant like China. Trump is not thinking about how it could be done. Some of his advisors giving contradictory answers. Some say robots will do the work, others saying American workers will be trained. That will take a long time, or it may not happen during Trump's lifetime. There is a simple way to make this successful. Begin with immediately in Asian countries where they are making Nike shoe or iPhone, bring all those factories by ship to America and also bring all the workers, possibly around 5 million. Then production would be possible within 3 months. The workers can be given a temporary work permit. They work 12-hour shifts. They live close to factory. Some of them live inside the factory. They eat noodles, vegetables, and very small amount of meat and fish. They get only $2 or $3 per hour. There is no overtime. They don't argue about working conditions. That is how in Asian countries like China and Vietnam, hundreds of billionaires are created. American workers could be trained with those Asian workers to work. Then it's possible America can become a manufacturing giant like China. The question is, why Americans turn around? It was Americans' idea to manufacture in China and all other poor countries to increase their profits and make consumer product cheaper. There is evidence like Nike shoe, iPhone maker Apple, how rich they become. Trump is not thinking about American workers. He is not good to the workers who work for him. He is thinking that by bringing manufacturing to America, it will create hundreds of new billionaires. That is Trump's main motivation. He wants to make the richest country on earth richer, but not for the people. His political idea is very simple. Government should be for the billionaires and governed by the billionaires. That is what Trump dreams of making America.